Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Food Dehydrator. With 6 stainless steel trays providing 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, allowing you to dry more food at once. Equipped with a 600W motor, rear-mounted drying fan, and upgraded airflow technology for faster, more even drying without manual intervention. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel for durable and safe snack making. An ideal gift for those who enjoy making homemade dried foods like fruits, meats, vegetables, and pet treats and more. Perfect for various occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Thanksgiving. Knife set. Multipurpose knife set. This kitchen knives set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology. Will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. Meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately. Stovetop espresso maker. The original mocha coffee pot. Mocha Express is the original stovetop espresso maker. It provides the experience of the real Italian way of preparing a tasteful coffee. Its unique shape and the inimitable gentleman with mustache date back to 1933, when Alfonso Bialetti invented it. Made in Italy. It is made in Italy, and its quality is enhanced by the patented safety valve, which makes it easy to clean, and its ergonomic handle, available in many sizes and suitable for gas, electric, and induction, with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. One size for each need. Mocha Express sizes are measured in espresso cups. Coffee can be enjoyed in espresso cups or in larger containers. Cleaning instructions. The Bialetti Mocha Express must only be rinsed with clean water after use, with no detergents. The product is not to be washed with a dishwasher, as it will be irremediably damaged and the taste of coffee altered. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Easy to clean. This rotary cheese grater is detachable in all parts, making it simple to clean. Just wash it under a stream of water for a few seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Juicer machine. Upgraded 800W motor. Centrifugal juicer machine with upgraded 800W high-speed motor. More efficient and powerful than cold-press juicer maker. Lasts much longer than other competitor. 3-inch wide mouth will save your time on cut everything into small sticks. Dual-speed juicer machine with 2-speed control. 1 low speed for soft fruits and veg, such as watermelon, orange, strawberry, etc. 2 high speed for some hard fruits and veg, such as carrot, celery, apple, pear, etc. Safety design and easy to clean juicer extractor with locking system arm. It will not work without cover locked into place. Overload protection system will switch off machine once overheating occurs. Detachable parts makes it easy to clean. To remove filter basket, please grasp the edge of the filter basket and pull up. Notice, avoid trying to juice things with a low water content. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking to save time and deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy weekdays. The 6-quart square basket offers a wider, deeper design for family meals in one go while saving kitchen counter and storage space. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil star. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins. 1 0-pack pantry storage containers. The 10 PCS fridge organizer helps you store fruits, vegetables, yogurt, cheese, and meat in the fridge, freezer, cabinets, or deep pantry shelves. Keep your cluttered refrigerator, freezer, countertop, kitchen cabinets, or pantry clean and neatly organized with these space-saving clear plastic storage bins. Stackable drain tray design. Stackable design to help maximize your refrigerator storage space. The lids of fridge containers are not airtight and can effectively prevent dust and odors. The bottom of the large vegetable storage containers for the refrigerator has a drain hole that can be easily opened to drain excess water after washing vegetables and fruits, preventing moisture and keeping them fresh. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste.